Welcome to our exploration of the Northeast region's interior design styles. This area is rich with historical significance and diverse architectural traditions. We'll cover the unique design elements that define the homes in the New England and Mid-Atlantic states. New England, consisting of Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Vermont, is known for its colonial history and coastal influences. The Mid-Atlantic states, including Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., and West Virginia, offer a blend of traditional and modern styles reflecting their diverse cultural heritage. Join us as we delve into the details that make each style unique and timeless. Colonial style emerged in the 17th century, reflecting the practical needs and European influences of early settlers. This style is characterized by its symmetrical facades, central chimneys, and simple, functional interiors. The design elements focus on practicality and craftsmanship, utilizing local materials like wood and brick. It became popular due to the settlers' desire to recreate the familiar architectural forms of their homelands while adapting to the new environment. These characteristics can be seen in modern colonial style today, preserving the timeless appeal and historical significance of the original designs. The coastal style of New England draws inspiration from the region's seaside environment. It emphasizes light, airy spaces and nautical elements that create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Coastal interiors often feature a palette of whites and blues, natural materials, and decor inspired by the sea. This style became popular due to the region's extensive coastline and the influence of maritime culture, which encouraged a connection to the natural beauty and tranquility of the sea. Today, modern coastal style continues to embrace these elements, offering a fresh and breezy aesthetic that remains popular. Traditional New England style blends classic design elements with a focus on comfort and homeliness. It's a style that respects the past while accommodating modern living. Traditional interiors often feature rich woodwork, antique furnishings, and elegant decor. This style became popular as it represented the evolution of colonial architecture, incorporating more refined and decorative elements while maintaining the region's historical roots. In modern homes, these traditional elements are often preserved, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that honors New England's rich heritage. Federal style, which flourished from the late 18th to early 19th century, is known for its refined elegance and symmetry. It often features decorative elements inspired by classical antiquity, such as columns, pilasters, and elliptical fanlights. This style became popular in the Mid-Atlantic as it reflected the aspirations of the young American Republic, drawing on the ideals of democracy and classical beauty. Modern interpretations of federal style retain these elements, blending historical charm with contemporary comfort. Victorian style, popular during the reign of Queen Victoria, is distinguished by its ornate details, rich colors, and eclectic influences. It's a style that celebrates opulence and craftsmanship, with a focus on intricate woodwork, stained glass, and lavish decor. This style became popular as the Industrial Revolution allowed for mass production of decorative elements, and the growing middle class sought to display their wealth and taste through elaborate home designs. Modern Victorian style often preserves these intricate details, blending them with contemporary amenities to create luxurious and unique interiors. The dynamic styles of urban, industrial, and contemporary design are prominent in New York and New Jersey, reflecting the fast-paced cosmopolitan lifestyle of these areas. Urban style emphasizes sleek, functional design with an edge of sophistication thriving in city apartment living spaces. Industrial style draws inspiration from the raw, unfinished aesthetic of factories and warehouses, featuring exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and reclaimed wood. Contemporary style emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and a minimalist aesthetic, incorporating modern materials and technologies to create elegant, functional living environments. These styles became popular as urban centres grew, combining to meet the demand for stylish yet practical living spaces. Today, these styles continue to evolve, blending rugged and sleek elements to create chic and functional living environments. We've explored the rich tapestry of interior design styles in the Northeast region, from the timeless, colonial and elegant federal styles to the relaxed coastal and sophisticated modern styles. Each style offers a unique glimpse into the history and culture of this diverse area. We invite you to dive deeper into these styles and find inspiration for your own spaces. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through America's regional design styles.